In this episode, I'm going to give you my top 3 altcoin picks for the week. Okay, I know there are thousands of coins on my list as well as others, and I'm going to talk about them down the road. But for now, these three have potential to do at least 10x, according to me. And time sensitive, they're really in good range, buy range. So I thought I'll just give it to you. Okay, do not ape in. Please do your own research. And I'm also not getting this 10x out of thin air. It's based on the market cap, their potential, the development and the team and the roadmap. So yeah, there's no guarantee, but I feel they could really do well in the next bull run or down the road. Okay. So again, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on all the notifications so whenever I release an awesome video, you'll be the first one to get it. Also follow me on Twitter at unapologeticrebel. And before I forget, I'm actually trying to get to 1,000 subscribers because, my channel is fairly new in the crypto space, and the 1,000 subscribers will allow me to unlock a couple of new features. So I will really appreciate if you could actually maybe share this video with somebody who will find it useful, and comment and let me know if you have any questions. Okay. So again, without wasting your time, let's dive in. So first I have is XPR, Proton. It's a little bit of a risky play, but I see potential, and I'll tell you why. Again, I'm not gonna go through the technical jargons and fundamentals. I mean, it's really straightforward. They have all the information on their website. I'm going to link it on my description. So yeah, refer to them, right? So in short, what is the origin of Proton? Proton was developed as a joint effort by two companies, Metal and Lynx. Both companies share a vision of making crypto more accessible to everyday consumers. Both have independently made significant progress towards this goal. Metal has built a compliant, consumer-friendly platform to peer-to-peer payments. Lynx has developed an app focus. They have a working product. Okay. The only downside I see at the moment is like they can't connect. They don't connect to MetaMask, so you have to download their own wallet, and then you can transfer from the exchange, and then you can actually stake XPR. Yeah, I forgot to mention you can also stake XPR. So you just don't have to hold them for all lifelong. You could actually stake and get return. So that's an awesome part of it. So again, it has potential. It's a risky play. And why do I say it's 10x? Because if you look at it, its all-time high was 10 cents, which was over a year ago. So I don't see why it can't beat that all-time high. And right now it's below 1 cent. So 1 cent to 10 cents is a 10x. They're pretty active on Twitter. Okay. And you can get it on KuCoin. They recently got listed on KuCoin. And if you look at it, the price is the cost of it, the cost of the token is it's pretty stable around I would say sub 6 to 8 cents. And this is I'll tell you the reason. Full transparency, okay? Because a lot of them are staked in the wallet. So if you're staking it, not much sales, right? I feel like that. But again, I see if you can get a decent entry around like 7-ish, so just wait a couple of days, see where it goes. I have a small bag and I don't mind getting more. I wouldn't mind like a decent sized bag because I see potential. Okay, so number one, XPR, not XRP, XPR. Second, Trader Joe. Okay, Joe has been trending today. So Joe, so it's pretty up, and its all-time high was around 4 days ago, which was $4.62. Market cap 333 million, which is really small compared to this entire crypto industry, $1 trillion market caps. So Joe is a DEX, okay? It's a decentralized exchange on the AVAX ecosystem, just like PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, I'm sure a lot of you know, PancakeSwap started, I think, at 50 cents or less, and right now it's at $18. Significant growth. It doesn't mean Joe will have the same fate, but there's a potential, right? AVAX is hot at the moment. A lot of people are saying AVAX could reach the top 3 tokens beside ETH. or compete with ETH. So I don't see why Joe can actually be a really decent DEX once AVAX gets more known and once AVAX starts growing. You get the point? So yeah, it's 7.4% up right now because I guess a lot of influencers are shilling this. So just wait for it. If you look at it, 24 hours low, it was almost $3. Right now it's 70 cents up. It's a decent increase. So wait for it. Dollar cost average. The only way you can get this is look at this. So these are the some of the exchanges that you can get it from: Gate.io, Pangolin, Trader Joe. So in order to use Trader Joe, the DEX, you need to transfer AVAX to your wallet. So I'm using MetaMask, okay? And the easiest way to get AVAX is, well, I get it from KuCoin. And simply buy whatever you need, okay? And then you just go to your transfer, you go to like, well, you go to a trading or, well, and then transfer it to your MetaMask, okay? I think it's a C chain, AVAX C chain. You transfer it to your MetaMask and that's it. And now you could actually go to Trader Joe and you could trade for Joe. There you go. You get the point? It's pretty straightforward. So again, my second pick, Trader Joe. And my third one is none other than Spooky Swap. The token is Boo. So Boo is another DEX which is on Phantom ecosystem. Okay, Trader Joe is on Avalanche, Boo is on Phantom. If I just told you that Joe has a potential to become the next cake of Avalanche, Boo has the potential to become the next cake of the Phantom network. Although there are a couple more like Spirit Swap and Morpheus and a couple more that I just discovered recently. I don't want to talk about them right now, but Boo started early and their cost, the price of the token is very decent. It kind of ranged from $14 to like $20, $22, and it's kind of stayed there. So dollar cost average, if you're really interested, and again, you need to get into Phantom network and you need to buy Phantom, transfer to your MetaMask, and then you're able to swap FTM to your Boo. Okay, pretty straightforward. So again, let's recap. My first token is XPR. Okay, my second is Trader Joe. It's Joe, and my third is Boo, Spooky Swap. All right, that's about it for today. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about how you could actually transfer AVAX from exchanges to your wallet and then use it to trade and buy other tokens in the ecosystem. And there are a lot of tokens in the ecosystem. And I don't want you to ape it right now just by looking at it. I just like to play around and I have a lot for demo purposes. So yeah, subscribe and stay tuned and I'll do my best to provide as much as I can. Okay. And I'm also going to do the same thing with the Phantom ecosystem. I'm going to show you how you can buy Phantom, transfer it. As you can clearly see, I have quite a bunch of stuff I played with, in my Phantom. So yeah, again, do not hate in. Wait for it. I'm going to create more content, help you guys as much as I can. Just comment and stay in the loop. That's it. All right. Stay safe.